Okay, go ahead. Oh, shit.
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah, okay. Alright. Now, tell me do this. Okay, I have to be able to do this stuff. This is what I bring. I got shoes that can fit in the water. Yeah, they're called water shoes. Yeah. On the outside, they're soaking wet. On the inside, they're nice and snug.
Really?
Nice and snug. Okay, just nailed my eye a little bit. Okay. Alright, people.
Just be careful.
And now this. Okay. That's all for now, people. As soon as I do this. Okay, I'm lighting a flame.
Okay.
Yeah, I want biscuit to burn it.
Oh, be careful.
That's all for now, people. Please watch the next show of, hey, why don't you do this? Hey, why don't you do this? I'm sorry. I messed up the first time. Okay. Why don't you do this? Why'd you stop filming now? Picture of me freaking out. Christmas stuff.
That's the dog's toy.
Yeah. I'm entering another DA contest. No. Yes. I don't have the Scrabble game. You must have it.
What light am I bringing?
That, right?
I have to design
That is all for now, people.
a smart
Turn it